It's your first market update of the morning, folks. Thanks for your company, by the way. And thanks for Tom Piotrowski's company. He's always ready to go over at CommSec. How are we looking today, Tom?
Pete, we're going to ease a little bit this morning, down by around 0.4% according to the futures, but seen in the context of yesterday's outsized gain when we were up by 1.4%, it's not such a bad outcome. And importantly, where Wall Street was concerned, things were on a better footing last night. You might recall over the course of the last couple of sessions, technology stocks have been under pressure. The poster child for the market's success in recent times in that regard, Nvidia had lost more than 10% over the course of the last 3 days. So there were some quivering bottom lips, as you might imagine, under those circumstances. But last night, more life returned to Nvidia. The stock up by 7%, and that led the Nasdaq higher. It was up by 1.3%. The S&P 500 up by 1/3%, but the Dow Jones was down 3/4%. We had some mixed outcomes where European markets are concerned. There was a downgrade from Airbus, the plane maker. So that stock was down by about 9%, and that reverberated throughout industrial stocks generally. So that's part of the reason why the German DAX and it was down 0.6%. The CAC down by around 0.2%. Today, Pete, big day. We've got the monthly inflation report. So it doesn't carry quite as much weight. Yes, that doesn't carry as much weight as the quarterly numbers. But the key here is the underlying pace of inflation expected to come in at 4%. Anything north of that will be unwelcome, and that will be a bit of a fly in the ointment where stocks are concerned.
Okay, let's chat again in a couple of hours' time.